Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you a delicious vegan cornbread recipe, so keep on watching. All right, so we will start off with our wet ingredients. That's 1 cup of plant-based milk, 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened applesauce, and 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. And now for our dry ingredients, you want to add 1 cup of flour. Now you definitely want to sift in your dry ingredients, guys. This step is really important so you can get that fluffiness in your cornbread. If not, your cornbread will turn out really flat like a pancake, and that is not what we want. So sift in those dry ingredients. You're going to sift also 1 cup of stone ground yellow cornmeal. Sift in 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. And sift in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And then add just 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything until well combined. Okay, so to your cast iron skillet, you want to add 1 tablespoon of vegan butter. Just spread that all over or all inside of your skillet. And then you want to add your cornbread mixture. Okay, so now you want to give your cornbread or the skillet a shake so that the cornbread is evenly distributed in the skillet. Now bake this at 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what your cornbread will look like after 25 minutes in the oven. You want to let it cool before cutting into it. So the edges were crispy, but the inside was so fluffy, you guys. I would definitely recommend giving this recipe a try. It was moist, but dry at the same time. It was just a perfect combination, guys. Let me know if you try it out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.